What's up guys, it's Lauren. In today's video, I'm just actually going to take you on a regular day. So today we're just gonna go for a walk, get some coffee, and enjoy being outside, not being at work. It's Memorial Day weekend and it's supposed to be like nice out and you're supposed to go out and just like enjoy the 3-day weekend. So I figured why not show you an easy, simple, just like natural, I want to look good, I want to go out, but I don't want to do too much to my face kind of look. So if you want to see what I like to do to put something on to look presentable and run out the door, then just keep on watching. Alright, so when I first got out of the shower, I already put on some moisturizer, and now I'm going in with this 3-in-1 foundation. To be honest, what I wanted to do, I want to say it's by L'Oreal, and it is a dry liquid foundation, so I like using that on days like today where I just want to be like really fast. It's a lot of product. Alright, we're just gonna like really work with this right now. So I normally like that dry foundation on a day like today because I want to be really fast, but because I can't find it, I'm just going in with this one because it's a 3-in-1, will be fast. I'm just going to fast whip it on into the face. I love that this weekend I got a little bit of a tan. You could tell, ooh, sun-kissed. It's exciting. So we're gonna have to like bronze the face up just a bit. I wanna warm it up. Okay, lightening then warming. So I'm going to pop this on just underneath. We're not gonna do our crazy concealer. Just a drop. Fast little beauty blender. This is just to conceal underneath the eye area. Okay, record time. Now that my foundation and concealer is already on, I'm just gonna warm up the face by my cheekbones, around the rim of just my entire face, the hairline, the jawline, just to warm myself up a bit. And I'm going to use an angled brush like this. Done. Now to set where the concealer is, I just purchased this. I want to say it's from Marshall's. It's HD Flawless Powder Foundation. So I use this. It's in the color Porcelain. It's very light. I'm going to show you. Extremely light. So I use this to set my concealer. My eyes look crazy right now. We're going to fix that with some mascara and then we're going to be done. So, we're looking good. Okay. I also like to do on my eyes. Just like set where that foundation was. I don't go over here because that's where we put the bronzer to brighten up the face. So I go down here and I like to just do like a little sweep down here. Just to really highlight that contour, see? And I'm going to use my stippling brush to really like blend it in, but for now, chisel. Let's chisel this guy. Okay. I would like to do my eyebrows just a bit. I'm looking at the time right now. It is 11:02. I'm supposed to meet with my girlfriend within the next 15 minutes. She's picking me up. Haven't heard from her, so we have time for brows. I'm just using my Flawless Brow Trio, going in with the middle shade. And I'm honestly just going to do a little bit of shape. I'm just going to really make these nice and bold by pointing out the tip of them and the arch. Boom. We're going to do this fast. You ready? That's it. Now we're going to lastly go in with a little bit of mascara. Today I'm using my Bad Gal Bang. I did a review on this mascara. I'll link it down below, but let me just say, it's definitely my go-to recently. Just gonna lift this guy up. Should we do something to the hair? Maybe let's like lock this in using Milani's Make It Last. I really like this. It smells absolutely fantastic. And yeah, it's really made it last. Really good setting spray. I want to say it's probably like $11 at most in the drugstore. I might have paid $9 at Walmart, but definitely worth it. Cute, and it is 2.3 ounces. Love that smell. Just gonna glisten up the lips with a little bit of Vaseline. I always put Vaseline on at night before I go to sleep. In the morning when I'm getting ready. Just feels really nice on the lips. I feel like it like deeply conditions them. So good. Now let's like do something with this hair. What should we do with this? So this hair, I washed it yesterday. And it's looking a bit like, I could leave it like this just by playing around with it. I think what I'm going to do is just put it up because I'm going for a walk. So I feel like I don't even want it in my face. But I'm going to spray it with a little bit of my Batiste. This smells outrageous, and it also does really well for styling. So I like to get like right here. That smells good. I'm just going to brush my fingers through my hair. Feels good too. Doesn't this make such a difference? I feel like that alone like livened it up just a bit. Just a bit. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my speedy, gotta get out of the house but want to look presentable tutorial. Yeah, that's it. Dry shampoo, a little bit of like foundation to cover up the face. Always gotta rock some mascara. I kind of look like a hot mess, but I could definitely throw my hair up and I feel like that'll fix it. Will it fix it? I don't know. Or maybe, just maybe, a hat. Hold on. There we go. Maybe just a hat. Maybe to like dress it down a bit. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you so much for watching. Till my next video next week. Bye guys. Just gonna glisten up the list. Just gonna glisten up the list. Just gonna lit. Oh my god, I can't speak. Okay.